Welcome back friends. Previously we learned divisibility of different numbers. We learned divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3. Which number are divisible by 2? If the last digit is even. Which number are divisible by 3? If the addition of digits is divisible by 3. Which number are divisible by 4? If last two digit is divisible by 4, then number is divisible by 4. Now divisibility by 5. Which number are divisible by 5? जो last digit 0 और 5 है तो divisible by 5. Now divisibility by 6. Which number are divisible by 6? Number that divisible by 2 and 3 are divisible by 6. જે number 2 અને 3 માં divisible થાય 6 થી પણ divide થાય. Then we learn divisibility of 8. Which number are divisible by 8? If last three digit is divisible by 8, then number is divisible by 8. Then we learn divisibility of 9. Which number are divisible by 9? If the addition of digits are divisible by 9. जो number ना digits નું addition करो અને 9 થી divide થાય તો number પર 9 થી divide થાય. Now also we learn divisibility by 10. Number which end with 0 divisible by 10. Now divisibility by 11. So what is the statement? Find the difference between sum of the digits at the odd place and sum of the digits at the even place of the number. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then number is divisible by 11. I know the statement is little much confusing, but we will understand this statement with the example. Okay, example में यह statement શું કહે છે સમજો. So what you first of all what you need to do, find the sum of digits at the odd place. એટલે odd digit find નથી કરવાના, but odd place ઉપર હોય એ digit find કરવાના. So here one number is 1331. Odd place means this is first place, second, third and fourth. Okay, first, second, third and fourth. So number at the odd place, 1 and 3 at the number at the odd place. 1 पर છે 3 पर છે. These are the number at the odd place. So we need to add this. 1 plus 3, that is 4. Number sum of digits at the even place. So 2 and 4 at the even place. So 3 plus 1, that is 4. Difference of odd and even numbers, that is 4 minus 4, 0. If you get 0, odd number is divisible by 11, then it is divisible by 11. तो आंसर में 0 મળે છે એટલે divisible by 11. One more. Here we need to write the places of each digit. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. હવે શું કરવાનું? Digits at the even place. Which are the even place? Odd place 5, then 9, that is third place, and 8. So 8. Okay, 5, 9 and 8. One skip करता जाए ना digits में addition लेवा. So 5 plus 9 14, 14 plus 8 22. Now sum of the digits at the even place. So now 5 and 6, that is 11. Now difference of these two, 22 minus 11, 11. 11 is divisible by 11. So yes, this is divisible by 11. 11 થી divide થાય બંનેનો difference. એટલે જો તમે આ નંબરને 11 થી divide કરો તો આન્સર રિમાઇન્ડરમાં 0 આવે. ક્લિયર? Now next one. 61,809. Is this number divisible by 11? What we have to check? Sum of digits at the odd place. So 8, 9 and 6. 9, 8 and 6. Add this number, you will get 17 plus 6, 23. Clear? Now next one, 0 plus 1. Yes. So subtraction of digit, 23 minus 1, it is 22. 22 is divisible by 11. Yeah, so if you divide this number with 11, it is divisible by 11. Okay, એટલે આ નંબર પણ 11 થી ડિવાઇડ થશે. Now next one, sum of digits at the odd place, 3 plus 5 plus 6. 3 plus 5 plus 6. 8 plus 6, 40. 7 plus 7. It is also 14. So 14 minus 14, it is 0. So 0 is divisible by 11. So number is also divisible by 11. Clear? This way you can find, is this number divisible by 11? Number 11 થી divide થશે કે નહીં? એ કેવી રીતે ચેક કરવાનું? ડાયરેક્ટ 11 થી divide નહીં કરવાનું, because it takes too much time. For that, find the addition of digits at the odd place, addition of digits at the even place. જો બંનેનો આન્સર 0 આવે સબટ્રેક્શન માં और નંબર એવો આવે કે જે 11 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય, તો આ નંબર 11 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય. ક્લિયર? Now, based on divisibility test, we will solve exercise 3.3. Okay? So, what is the first question? State whether the following are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay? So, here one table is given and you need to write, is this number divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So for a divisibility of 2, હવે પહેલા આપણે 2 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય છે કે નહીં એ ચેક કરીએ. Which number are divisible by 2? If last digit is even. Okay, જો last digit 0, 2, 4, 8, 6 એવા હોય તો એ નંબર 2 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય. So for first, જે નંબરની divisibility ચેક કરવાની હોય એ નંબરનો રૂલ્સ યાદ રાખવાનો. ક્લિયર? तो divisibility by 2 કયા નંબર 2 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય? જે નંબરના લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ ઇવન હોય. So here for a divisibility of 2 we will check the last digit of number. Okay, બધા નંબરનો લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ ચેક કરીએ. So 8, is this number divisible by 8 even? So yes, it is divisible by 2. 0 even? So yes. 6 even? Yes. 5 is odd, so not divisible by 2. 6 is even, so divisible by 2. 0, yes. 4, yes. 6, yes. 0, yes. 9 is odd, so not divisible by 2. Clear? એટલે આ નંબર 2 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય. તમે ડિવાઇડ કરો 128 by divide by 2 કરો એટલે રિમાઇન્ડર 0 આવશે. ક્લિયર? Now divisible by 3. હવે 3 થી કયા નંબર ડિવાઇડ થાય? If the sum of digit is divisible by 3. જો digits નું sum કરો અને divisible by 3 હોય તો એ 3 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય. So we will add 1 plus 2 plus 8. આ રીતે રફ વર્કમાં કરવાનું. 1 plus 2 plus 8. That is what? 11. 11 3 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય? No. So it is not. 9 plus 9 plus 0. Is it divisible? 9 plus 9 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So yes, it is divisible by 3. 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6. It is 20. 20 is divisible by 3. No. Now 275. 40. So it is divisible by 3. No. Now next one, 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. 26. 26 is divisible by 3. No, it is not divisible by 3. So cancel. Now next one, 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1. 21. 0 is also there. So addition is 21. So yes, 21 is divisible by 3. So the number is also divisible by 3. For next one, 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4. Add this number. 27. So is this number divisible by 3? 27 3 to divide by? Yes. So this number is also divisible by 3. Next one. 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6. 21. So is this number divisible by 3? Yes. Next one, 3 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 9. So 9 is also divisible by 3. Yes. The next one, 4 plus 0 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 9, 30. So yes, this number is also divisible by 3. હવે તમને યાદ હોય તો which number are divisible by 6? The number that is divisible by 2 and 3. જો બંનેમાં yes હોય તો 6 થી પણ ડિવાઇડ થાય. તો આપણે પહેલા 6 ના ટેબલ 6 ની કોલમમાં આપણે રાઈટ રો નાઉન કરી દઈએ. So here 128 is 2 થી થાય પણ 3 થી ના થાય. So it is not divisible by 6. કયા નંબરમાં yes આવશે? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3. જો બંનેમાં yes હોય તો 6 માં પણ yes આવે. So here both have yes, so 6 is also yes. No, no, no. Here this it will be divisible by 2 and 3, so it is also divisible by 6. Again this is yes, this is yes, yes and clear. Now we will check the divisibility by 4. Which number are divisible by 4? If last two digit is divisible by 4. जो last two digit divisible by 4 हो तो number 4 થી divide થાય. So for 128, what is the last digit? 28. 28 4 થી divide થાય. Yeah. 7 4s are 28, so it is divisible by 4. 90, we can check divisibility of 4. 90 ને 4 થી divide કરી જોવો. No, we will get reminder. तो 94 થી divide ના થાય તો આ નંબર પણ 4 થી divide થશે નહીં. Last 86. It is divisible by 4? No. 86 divide by 4 करो. 75 is divisible by 4? No. So it is not divisible by 4. Again 86. So not divisible by 4. 10 not divisible by 4. 40 not divisible by 4. 56. Yes, it is divisible by 4. If you divide 56 with 4, you will get 14. So it is whole number is divisible by 4. 60, yes, 60 is also divisible by 4. 39 is not divisible by 4, so whole number is also not divisible by 4. Now which number are divisible by 5? If last digit is 0 or 5. जो last digit 0 હોય કે 5 હોય તો 5 થી divide થાય. 8 not divided by 0. 5 0 is there, so yes. હવે 5 ની divisibility માં શું ચેક કરવાનું? લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ 0 કે 5 તો થશે. So here it is 5, yes. 6 no. 6 no. 10 yes. 4 no. 6 no. 0 yes and 9. Clear? Now which number are divisible by 8? કયા નંબર 8 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય? લાસ્ટ 3 ડિજિટ 8 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય तो आखो नंबर 8 से डिवाइड થશે. So 120. Check the divisibility of 8 for 120. 128. So yes, it is divisible by 8. So yes. 990. Check the divisibility. You can see this is not divisible by 8. So 990 will be not divisible by 8. Now 586. Indivisibility by 8. What you have to check? Last 3 digits. Check 586 is divisible by 8. No, it is not divisible by 8. So not possible. 275. It is divisible by 8. No. 686. Check divisibility. So no, it is not divisible by 8. 210. It is not divisible by 8. 714. Again, it is not divisible by 8. 856. Yes, it is divisible by 8. 60. Is it divisible by 8? Not divisible by 8. 839 is also not divisible by 8. તમારે લાસ્ટ 3 ડિજિટ ડિવાઇડ કરીને જોવાના, જો ડિવાઇડ થતું હોય તો હોલ નંબર પણ 8 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય. Now which number are divisible by 9? What is the divisibility of 9? If addition of digits is divisible by 9. So here addition is already done. For 3 આપણે કરેલું જ. So 11 is divisible by 9? No. 18? Yes. 20? No. 14? No. 26? No. 21? No. 27? Yes. 21? No. 9? Yes. And 30? No. Clear? Now for 10. 10 ની divisibility check કરવા માટે શું કરવાનું? If last digit is 0, then it is yes. So 8? No. 10? Yes. 6? No. 5? No. 6? No. 0? Yes. 4 for no. No. Yes. Clear? Now we will check divisibility of 11. Now, to check the divisibility by 11, what we have to check? Sum of digits at the odd place and sum of the digits at even place, and we need to find the difference. So here I make a column odd, even and difference. This thing you need to do in a rough work. Okay? તમને exam માં આટલા બધા એક સાથે ના પૂછે, તમને 3 or 4 questions પૂછે. So for that question you need to do a rough work in paper. Okay? So odd number, that is 8 and 1. So what you have to do? 8 plus 1 and even is 2 only. 8 plus 1 is 9, 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So it is not divisible by 11. 990. So 0 plus 9, that are number at the odd place, and 9 at the even place. So 9 minus 9, 0. So it is yes, divisible by 11. For 1586. 6 and 5 are number at the odd place, that is 11, and 8 plus 1, that is 9 at the even place. 11 minus 9, it is 2, so not divisible by 11. 5 plus 2, that is number at the odd place, 7, and between that 7 even place, so 7 minus 7 is 0, means it is divisible by 11. Now 6 plus 6, 12. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 minus 12, it is 2. So not divisible by 11. Now here 0 plus 2 plus 3. 0 plus 2 plus 3, that is 5. And 1 plus 9 plus 6. 1 plus 9 plus 6, that is 16. 16 minus 5 is 11. So yes, it is divisible by 11. For next one, 4 plus 7 plus 2. 4 plus 7 plus 2. 13. And then even 1 plus 9 plus 4. 1 plus 9 plus 4. That is 14. 14 minus 13 is 1. So not divisible by 11. For next one, 6 plus 8, 14, and 5 plus 2, 10. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So it is 14 minus 7, 7. So not divisible by 11. For this one, 0 plus 0, 0 and 6 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. 9 minus 0 is 0. For last digit is 9 plus 8 plus 0, 17. And number at the even place, 3 plus 6 plus 4, 30. So 17 minus 13 is 3. So not divisible by 11. Clear? This way you can check the divisibility. Divisibility means what? Number gives the remainder 0. એનો મતલબ શું કે જો તમે નંબર ને 11 થી ડિવાઇડ કરો, આ જે નંબર છે 990 એને 11 થી ડિવાઇડ કરો તો એ રિમાઇન્ડર 0 આવે. આ 275 એને 11 થી ડિવાઇડ કરો તો રિમાઇન્ડર 0 આવે. સેમ ફોર ધીસ નંબર 6,39,210, it is also divisible by 11. Why? Because if you divide this number with 11 you will get remainder 0.